discussing about the topic cell, its organelles. Okay, what is the structure of nucleus and what is the function of nucleus? Now we are going to discuss about the functions of the nucleus and what is the structure of nucleus. Mr. Surya, who was discovered nucleus? Who was discovered nucleus? Anybody? Who was discovered nucleus? Okay. Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Now we are going to discuss about the nucleus. Okay. Nucleus is the dark body found in the center of the cell. Which is present? Center of the cell. What is the function of nucleus? What is the major function of nucleus? Nucleus is the controller of the cell. Nucleus is the controller of the cell. This is also known as control room. This is also known as control room. So all the cell activities controlled by the nucleus. All the cell activities controlled by the nucleus. And the nucleus contains some material is called genetic material. Nothing but DNA. Nothing but DNA. What is DNA? DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. It is present in the nucleus. It is present in the nucleus. Nucleus is present in the center of the cell. Very good. Center of the cell. Okay. Robert Brown was discovered the nucleus. in the year of 1831. In the year of 1831. This is one of the most important cell organelle. This is most important cell organelle. The new cells were created from the nucleus. Where did the new cells comes from? Nucleus. Very good. Nucleus. And it is called as cytoblast. And it is called as cytoblast. Okay. So inside the nucleus, it got some fluid. Inside the nucleus, it got some fluid that is nucleoplasm. That is nucleoplasm. Okay. Please observe the slide. Nucleus is first discovered by Robert Brown in the year of 1831. అందరికి స్లైడ్ కనిపిస్తా ఉందా? Next, this is one of the most important cell organelle of this cell. This is the most important cell organelle. Okay. Next, this is also called as control room of the cell. This is also called as control room of the cell. And next one, almost all eukaryotic cell have a nucleus. Eukaryotic cell have a nucleus. And then red blood cells. What is red blood cells?
RBC.
RBC. It is some mammals and phloem sieve tubes. Phloem sieve tubes means it is present in the phloem tissue. Okay. The phloem tissue is present in the plant. It transported the food material all parts of the plant body. All parts of the plant body. Okay. Some eukaryotic cells. It is not having the nucleus. It is not having the nucleus. Okay. First nucleus was discovered by Robert
Brown.
The year of 1831. Okay. And inside the nucleus, this is one more dot body is called as nucleolus. One dot body is called as nucleus. Another dot body is present in the nucleus. Another dot body is present in the nucleus. That is called as nucleolus. The nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. The nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. The cell is bounded by the which membrane?
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane. Very good. Cell membrane.
Membrane.
Now it is compared to the function of nucleus. What are the different function of nucleus? Now let us see the function of nucleus. Already we discussed one function of the nucleus. What is the function of nucleus? What is the function of nucleus?
Nucleus regulates and controls all the function of the cell.
Very good. It controls the
Function of the cell.
It controls all activities of the cell. It controls all activities of the cell. Okay. It controls various activities inside the cell. That is the one major function of the nucleus. It controls all activities of the cell. That is the major function of nucleus. The second function. What is the second function? It is storehouse of the genetic information. It is storehouse of the genetic information. What is genetic information? The nucleus contains some genetic material. What is the genetic material? What is the genetic material?
Gum-like substance, ma'am.
DNA. What is the genetic material? DNA.
DNA.
It is the store of some genetic material, and that means the deoxyribonucleic acid. And the third one is the nucleus play a major role in the biological process. That means cell division. Next, we observe the slide structure of the nucleus. Okay. Nucleus contains nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, nuclear pore, and genetic material. It is either DNA and RNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA means ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid. A nucleus plays a major role in cell division. Cell division is very important for the biological process. Okay. Cell division is important and growth of organisms. We know that a cells, they come from pre-existing cells. The new cells comes from pre-existing cells. Next slide. Next, function of the nucleus. Nucleus controls and regulates the all function of the cell. Next one, it determines the characteristics of the organism. Okay. It consists of a genetic information is nothing but DNA. Okay. It also involves in the cell division. Cell division is mitotic division or meiotic division. The new cells were comes from the pre-existing cells. The new cells where it comes from the pre-existing cells. So how do they come from the pre-existing cells? The pre-existing cells, they are to be divided. So only when the division takes place in the new cells is divided into two. The cell division is divided into two types. Number one is mitosis and number two is the meiosis. Number one is mitosis and number two is the meiosis. Mitosis means a parent organism, a parent cell divided into two daughter
Two
cells.
parts.
And the meiosis means a parent organism. అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే to reduce the chromosome number. What is the number of chromosomes? What is the number of chromosomes?
4.
How many pairs of chromosomes?
4.
How
Hello,
many
madam.
pairs of chromosomes?
4.
How many pairs of chromosomes? 23 pairs of chromosomes present in our body. Number one is 22 pairs of chromosomes is autosome. One pair is the allosome. It is the sex chromosomes. Okay. Next, the cell division. A nucleus plays a major important role. So depending upon the nucleus, organisms are divided into two groups. Number one is prokaryotes and number two is eukaryotes. Prokaryotes and number two is the eukaryotes. Depending upon the nucleus, the organisms are divided into two types. Number one is prokaryotic cell and number two is eukaryotic cell. Okay, first of all, we are going to study about the prokaryotics. So what is prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotes means these are the organisms which have an unorganized nucleus. Unorganized nucleus. That means they do not have nucleus. They do not have nuclear membrane. They do not have nucleus and they do not have nuclear membrane. So what does it mean? So the nucleus is not organized. That means it is not having a specific shape. It is not having a specific shape. Are cells without a nucleus. Simple than eukaryotic cells have few internal structures. Internal structure are not surrounded by membrane. Internal structures are not surrounded by membranes. Unicellular organism. What is unicellular organisms? What is unicellular organisms?
A cell have only one.
The organism is made up of one cell. It's called unicellular
Is
organism.
called
Okay, very good. It's made up of a single cell. It is called unicellular organism.
organism.
Okay. So the genetic material is simply spread in the cytoplasm of the organism. So such organism is called prokaryotes. Such organisms are called prokaryotes. What is prokaryotes? Prokaryotes means it is not having a nucleus and it is not having a nuclear membrane. It is not having a nuclear membrane. Okay. Example is the E. coli. E. coli. Where is it present? It is the bacteria. Where is it present?
Bacteria.
It is present in the intestine.
Bacteria.
It is present in the intestine.
Intestine.
It synthesizes the cyanocobalamin vitamin. It synthesizes the cyanocobalamin vitamin. Okay. So the other type is the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells means it is having a organized nucleus. What is the organized nucleus? It has got a specific space. It has got a specific shape and it has got a nuclear membrane. Okay, it is having a nucleus. It is having a nucleus.
Nuclear.
Okay,
Yes, madam.
Harsha. What is the function of what are the examples of prokaryotic cell? Harsha, anybody?
E. coli, madam.
E. coli. Where is it present?
Intestine, madam.
It is present in the intestine.
Intestine.
It synthesizes the cyanocobalamin. It synthesizes the cyanocobalamin
Cyanocobalamin vitamin.
vitamin. Okay. Next, the eukaryotic cells have a membrane-bounded nucleus. Okay. Have many membrane-bounded organelles: mitochondria, vacuole, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosomes, plastids. Okay. Where is it present? It is present in plant cell and animal cell. The plastids only in presence in plant cell. DNA contained in linear chromosomes. Cytoplasm is present in the cell. Outer boundary is called as cell membrane. Outer boundary is called as cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Except in plant cells, wall is made up of cellulose, that is called as cell wall. Okay. The extra layer is made up of cellulose. Where is it present? Only it present in the
Plant
cell.
cells.
Only it present in the plant.
Plant cells.
Next, do all cells have a nucleus? Do all cells have a nucleus?
Yes,
Rakesh?
ma'am.
Yes, sir. Do all cells have a
No, madam.
nucleus? No, very good.
No, madam.
No, they are contain some exemptions. Okay. Most of the cells, they have nucleus. But human RBC, they do not have a
RBC.
nucleus. Human RBC, they do not have a nucleus. In plant cells, we take an example. In plant cells, we take an example. Example, what is the examples of plant cells? We do not have nucleus in phloem sieve tubes. Phloem
C tubes.
sieve tubes. Where is it present?
Plant cell.
It is present in the plants.
Plant cell.
Phloem tissue. Okay. They transported the food material, all parts of the plant body. Next, this is the eukaryote and prokaryotes. Next, now we are going to talk about the cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
What is the cytoplasm? Where is it present?
Cytoplasm present in cells.
Okay, very good. Cytoplasm is the fluid. It is present inside the cell. It is present inside the
Inside
cell.
the cell.
So this fluid is
Madam,
bounded
ఒక్క
by
second, madam.
cell
Hello,
membrane.
The cell.
madam. ITPL స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని మీ వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసుకొని అన్న. ఎవ్రీవన్ రెడ్డి శేఖర్, భవానీ శంకర్ వీడియోస్ ఆన్ లోనే పెట్టుకొని ఎవరు వీడియోస్ ఆఫ్ చేయకండి. రామూర్తి సార్, ఓకే. వంశీ అందరూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం, సారీ ఫర్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్.
Oh, okay. Cytoplasm is the fluid. It is present inside the cell.
Inside the cell.
It is inside the cell. So this fluid is bounded by cell membrane. It is bounded by cell membrane. So this
Cell
fluid
membrane.
is present inside the cell membrane. This is called as cytoplasm. This is called as cytoplasm.
Plasm.
So cytoplasm is
Cytoplasm.
the medium in which all the other cell organelles like nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus and plastids, whatever, so all the different cell organelles are floating in the cytoplasm.
Plasm.
All cell organelles, nucleus. What are the cell organelles present in the cell? What are the cell organelles present in the cell?
మేడం పల్లవి
Nucleus.
Sir,
మేడం 8 నిమిషాలు ఉంది మేడం ఇంకా.
8 minutes, sir. Okay, sir.
ఓకే.
Nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm,
Hmm.
etc. Ma'am.
Okay, see the slide. The material that a cell made up of, except from the nucleus. A large region enclosed by the cell membrane, it is called as cytoplasm. What is the nature of cytoplasm? What is the nature of cytoplasm? It is a fluid. It is a fluid.
Fluid.
Cytoplasm is a fluid content with 70 to 80% of water. It contains many specialized cell organelles. The cell organelles like nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus, and mitochondria, vacuoles, ribosomes, lysosomes. These are all the present in the
Cytoplasm.
cytoplasm
Cell.
of the cell. Cytoplasm
Cell.
of the cell.
Cell.
Okay. So cytoplasm is basically composed of water, ions, and other minerals and nutrients like carbohydrates, amino acids, whatever. So, okay. So all are the different things which make up this cytoplasm. All the cell organelles made up of cytoplasm.
Plasm.
Can you say the cytoplasm as a protoplasm? Anybody? Okay. No. There are some differences between cytoplasm and the protoplasm. Protoplasm also present in the cell. Sir, చెప్పండి.
మేడం ఒక్క నిమిషం, మీరు షేర్ ఆప్షన్ తీసేయండి మేడం. ఆ స్లైడ్ తీసేయండి చెప్తాం. షేరింగ్ ఆప్షన్ ఎత్తండి.
Okay.
పిల్లలు క్లాస్ చేయడానికి వచ్చారు, దేనికి వచ్చారా మీరు? మీకు చెప్తే అర్థం కదా. స్లైడ్స్ పైన ఎందుకు గీసేది? ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకోమన్నాం కదా. ఒకసారి చెప్తే అర్థం కదా మీకు. రే బాబు, మంజునాథ ఎవరు? మంజునాథ
Sir,
అందరూ
Manjuna.
వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. ఇదే లాస్ట్ వార్ నేను చెప్తున్నా. నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఇదే మరి క్లాస్ లో చేస్తారంటే మిమ్మల్ని రిమూవ్ చేస్తా క్లాస్ నుంచి. మేడం పల్లవి మేడం
Sir.
చెప్పండి మేడం, ఇంకా 4 minutes ఉంది, స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.
Okay, okay, sir. Let us see what is the difference between cytoplasm and protoplasm. Next, we are going to talk about the cytoplasm versus protoplasm. What is this
Protoplasm.
protoplasm? Earlier
Starting
days,
notes in it.
when the cell was discovered, okay, they found that this in some essential life forming material found inside the cell. It is the life forming material inside the cell. It is life forming material inside the cell. So they do not know the cell organelles and other constitutes completely by that time. Just they thought some fluid inside the cell. So this fluid is responsible for the formation of life. The fluid is responsible for the formation of the
Formation
life.
of life.
So the life forming important fluid, so that is the protoplasm. But later, where it was made clear, the cell is not only having the protoplasm, it is having the cytoplasm also. It is having the cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
Having the distinct cell organelles, and it is having the distinct cell organelles and different cell organelles, different cell organelles. Okay, and it has got different kinds of fluids, and it has got different types of fluid. That is, inside the cell, this is a fluid. Inside the cell, the fluid is called as cytoplasm, and here inside the nucleus, it has got nucleoplasm. So they are very different. Inside the cell, the fluid is called as cytoplasm, and here inside the nucleus, it is called as nucleoplasm. When it was more clear, then the name protoplasm is renamed as cytoplasm. Okay, so earlier it is all together as a single fluid. It was considered as some fluid that is found inside the cell, that is responsible for the important of life. That is responsible for the important of life. Okay. Important fluid. So then it was called as protoplasm. But later it is made clear that not only protoplasm, there are so many things. There is nucleus, mitochondria, and cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the cell organelles, the different
మేడం 1
cell
minute.
organelle. Okay, okay, sir.
ఓకే.
Okay. The cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuoles. What is mitochondria? What is the importance of mitochondria? What is the function of mitochondria?